Today I'll show you two ways to install and use ChatGPT on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. Method 1. Install via Chrome browser, open Google Chrome. In the address bar, type chatgpt.com and press enter. Log into your OpenAI ChatGPT account if prompted. Once the ChatGPT home screen loads, click the three dots. Then settings will vary on your browser. Just find apps and install this site as an app, or install ChatGPT, something like that. Click Install in the pop-up. A new ChatGPT window opens like an app. That's your desktop version now. You can now open it from the Start menu and pin it to the taskbar for quick access. It behaves like a desktop app, but runs securely via Chrome. Method 2. Install via Microsoft Store. Press Win plus S to open Windows Search and type Microsoft Store, then open the app. In the Store search bar, type ChatGPT and press Enter. Click the ChatGPT result from OpenAI. Click Get or Install. Once installed, click Launch. Sign in with your ChatGPT credentials. That's it.